Hey y'all, in today's video, I will be reviewing this new and creative concept from ISEE Hair. This is their Block Wig series, and as you can see, they have this Lego type aesthetic where you can build your own wig. The first two blocks are called mystery boxes, and one comes with a wig cap inside, the second one comes with an adjustable strap and a bonnet. Now this block is the most important block. This is the block R/block B. The R stands for replacement lace and the B stands for the base of the wig. So what you see here is the 7x5 streak highlight closure wig, which is initially attached to the base of the wig. This is how the unit looks straight out of the package and applied directly onto my head. And for this first closure option, I am just going to install it the glueless way. Then I'm going to quickly go through this hair with my hot comb to give the base a more flatter look. Here's the final look of the first replacement top. I feel like the lace blended so effortlessly. The overall look was cute. However, I'm not a big highlight blonde streak type of girl, and that's okay because up next we have our second replacement option, which is a 9x6 HD lace closure. This particular lace closure comes with what they will call skin inside, which is supposed to give the lace a more natural look. The first thing you want to do to replace the top is to unzip the previous lace that was attached to the base. Then you take the second replacement top, attach it, and then zip it up. And now you have your second wig option. This is how the 9x6 lace look on me. I love how natural the lace looked. It was so easy to just install it as a glueless wig. I'm going over the top of this wig with my hot comb, just making sure that the lace is nice and flat. Also, for a neater install look, I went through this wig with my flat iron. So here are the final results of the 9x6 lace closure. I love it. I think that it looks so natural. It does not look like anything was unzipped or replaced. It just looks like a regular install. Honestly, I'm very satisfied with the lace quality. I feel like the lace blended so well, and I didn't even put any products. I didn't glue the wig down. The only thing I did was adjust the straps, and it looks like it's blending in with my skin tone so well. The process to replace the top literally took me 1 to 2 minutes to do. And lastly, we're going in with our third replacement top, which is a 13x6 HD lace frontal wig. With this last option, I'm going to fully install this unit with glue. After using my clips to move the hair out the way, I'm going to cut the air tabs off on each side of the lace so that the wig can properly fit on my head. Now I'm cutting my lace into 3 sections, and then I'm going to work on each section separately, starting with that middle section. And to install this lace today, I'm going in with the Bold Hold Liquid Gold glue. I go in with my blow dryer on a medium heat setting until the glue is tacky enough for me to lay the lace down. Then I go back in with my blow dryer on a medium heat setting and blow dry the lace until I feel like it is fully glued down. You want to repeat that same exact process to the other 2 sections of the lace. I'm applying a thin layer of the Kiss Colors lace spray on top of the lace for a better melt and a secure hold. Now I'm going in with my elastic band, and I'm using my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting so that my lace can have that melted look. I do this step for about 5 minutes, and then without the blow dryer, I keep my elastic band on for an extra 10 minutes. Now it's time to cut the lace off, so I'm going in with my scissors and I'm gonna cut in a zigzag motion. And I like to do it this way as opposed to just cutting straight across, because when I cut straight across, it just gives the lace an unnatural look. I'm going in with a little bit of rubbing alcohol to just wipe away and clean up any leftover glue residue. Now I'm going in with my Bedhead Masterpiece spray and just applying a thin layer of that spray on top of the lace, just to glue down any areas that did not fully glue down the first time. And this step also helps to take away the white cast on the lace as well. Now I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color Level 15, and I'm using the darkest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. I'm going in with my hot comb on the hottest heat setting to flatten down the base of this wig. Now I'm going in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting and a firm brush to go over the base of this wig and give the wig that extra flat look. For the styling process, I'm just quickly going through my hair with my comb and flat iron combo. I'm applying a little bit of this mousse to the top of this wig to flatten down the flyaways. For my baby hairs, I only pulled out a thin layer of baby hairs. Then I'm gonna go in with my edge flat iron to curl the baby hairs downwards. This step will help give the baby hairs a fluffy, natural look. I went in with the Bedhead Masterpiece spray to style my edges. I feel like using an adhesive spray really helps the edges to keep its natural look. I'm using the Eben Wig Knots concealer in the color medium beige to enhance my parting space. This is a final look of the last replacement top, which is the 13x6, and I really like the outcome of this unit. The quality of the hair is very good. As you can see, I was able to just run my fingers through this wig so effortlessly, and the lace itself was just perfect. I love how all three of the replacement tops had great quality lace, and the base of the hair is already good quality, so you wouldn't even have to worry about that. Here's how the back of the wig look: no gaps, super silky and straight look. I love how creative this block series is. I was so excited to try it. I feel like it is very convenient, and also for the people that like to swap and switch their wigs out like myself, this is the perfect dream wig. You get 3 wigs in one. And honestly, I feel like this unit is a great way to save money, because whenever you need a new wig, you can always swap the top off and you have a new wig. Okay, y'all, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video.